Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the essentials of HVACR PT charts. These pressure temperature charts are critical for diagnosing and troubleshooting refrigeration systems. So if you're an HVAC technician, stick around. This one's for you. Alright, let's get started. First off, what is a PT chart? Simply put, it's a chart that shows the relationship between pressure and temperature for a specific refrigerant. By knowing either the pressure or the temperature, you can easily find the other value. Now why does this matter? Well, diagnosing system issues often comes down to understanding these relationships. For example, if you have a high pressure reading but a low temperature, you might be dealing with a restriction or an overcharge. Conversely, low pressure and high temperature could point to a possible leak. To use a PT chart effectively, always ensure you're referencing the correct refrigerant. Different refrigerants have different properties, so using the wrong chart can throw off your diagnosis. Most PT charts are color-coded to help you quickly identify the right one. Next, let's talk about superheat and subcooling. These are two critical values you can determine using PT charts. Superheat is the difference between the measured suction line temperature and the evaporating temperature from the chart. Subcooling, on the other hand, is the difference between the measured liquid line temperature and the condensing temperature from the chart. Here's a quick tip. Always double-check your readings and cross-reference with the PT chart to ensure accuracy. It's a small step, but it can save you from making costly mistakes. So there you have it. Understanding and utilizing PT charts is a game-changer for HVAC technicians. Keep practicing, and soon enough, reading these charts will become second nature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on more HVAC tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay cool and stay safe.